In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on caller announcement on your Android smartphone. So if you turn on caller announcement, it means that each time you receive an incoming call, your phone will read out the name of the caller and the number of the caller loud. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. So to get started, go ahead and open your phone book, and I can just tap on this phone to access it. And under this, tap on this ellipsis for more option, and then tap on settings. Now under settings, scroll down until you see an option called caller ID announcement. So if you go ahead and tap on it, you can see we are told that caller's name and number will be read out loud for incoming calls. So currently it is set to never announce caller ID. If you want to turn this on, I'll just go ahead and tap on it and then specify whether I want to turn on only when using a headset or always. And I'll go ahead and turn on always. Now from now henceforth, each and every time someone calls me, the phone will go ahead and read the caller name and phone number. So that's how you turn on caller ID announcement on your Android smartphone. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.